Hey everybody, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite things, gardening. But even more than that, we're talking about how you can grow a beautiful garden without breaking the bank. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will help you save money and still have a thriving garden. So let's grab our gloves, get our hands a little dirty, and discover some budget-friendly ways to bring your garden dreams to life. One of the best ways to save money on gardening is to think long-term. Seed saving is like holding on to a little piece of your garden's history. Imagine planting your favorite tomatoes year after year, all from the seeds of your own harvest. At the end of the season, collect, dry, and store those seeds for the next planting season. Not only is seed saving easy on the wallet, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Over time, the seeds you save will adapt to your specific climate and soil, making your garden even stronger. So this season, as you're harvesting, keep an eye out for those plump, ripe seeds. Trust me, your future self and your future garden will thank you for it. Let's talk about giving those precious seeds a stylish and thrifty place to grow. Recycled planters. Some of the most charming planters are often found right in our own homes. Think about those empty cans or glass jars that once held homemade jams. Even an old watering can with a tiny leak can find a new purpose as a whimsical planter. The beauty of using recycled materials is that it allows you to unleash your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through. You might just see the potential for a charming new planter, ready to add a touch of rustic charm and budget-friendly beauty to your garden. When it comes to gardening, there's a secret ingredient that can make all the difference: compost. Think of compost as a magical elixir for your garden, a nutrient-rich feast that your plants will love. And the best part? It's made from things you probably already have on hand. Kitchen scraps like eggshells, coffee grounds, and vegetable peels are all welcome additions to your compost bin. Don't forget about yard waste like fallen leaves and grass clippings. Start by choosing a shady spot in your yard and setting up a compost bin. You can purchase one or easily build your own from recycled materials. Layer your brown materials, like leaves and twigs, with your green materials, like kitchen scraps, and keep it moist. Over time, those materials will decompose and transform into rich, earthy compost that will nourish your garden. Creating your own compost is not only good for your garden, but it's also a wonderful way to reduce waste and be kind to our planet. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about turning what was once considered trash into something so beneficial and valuable. Every gardener needs a few trusty tools, but building up your tool collection doesn't have to drain your bank account. Before you head to the store for brand new gardening gear, see what treasures you can unearth right in your community. Garage sales, thrift stores, and online marketplaces can be gold mines for finding gently used gardening tools at a fraction of the cost. Imagine finding a sturdy, well-worn trowel, its handle smoothed by years of digging in the soil. Or discovering a vintage watering can, ready to quench the thirst of your plants. These pre-loved tools often come with a story to tell and are built to last. So before you spend a fortune on new tools, embrace the thrill of the hunt. You never know what treasures you'll uncover. Gardening is often seen as a solitary pursuit, but some of the greatest joys come from connecting with others who share our passion. Joining a local gardening club is like stepping into a welcoming front porch, filled with friendly faces and shared wisdom. These clubs are treasure troves of information where seasoned gardeners and beginners alike gather to exchange tips and trade plants. And let's not forget about community gardens. These shared spaces are vibrant hubs of activity where people come together to grow food and share resources. Imagine swapping stories with your neighbors while tending to your vegetables. So, as you embark on your budget-friendly gardening journey, remember that you don't have to do it alone. Reach out to your local community, connect with fellow gardeners, and embrace the power of shared knowledge and resources. Well, that's it for today, friends. I hope these budget-friendly gardening tips inspire you to get out there, get your hands dirty, and create a garden that brings you joy, without breaking the bank. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Happy gardening, everyone!